Oh yeah. Hopefully the snow stays for a little bit. We're about to walk down to our little shelter that we made and see if we can spot any deer or anything. Got Trae walking in front. I'm gonna try to be a little quiet, but just wanted you guys to see how pretty it is out here. Trae, that's the tree I cut down over here. Come over here real quick, I want to show you something. Alright, Trae and I made it down to home base. We didn't see any signs of any deer or anything down here. The only prints we see obviously are ours. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it is down here. God, it's so nice. It looks so cool with the water trickling through. And we posted a video a couple months back with us zigzagging and crossing the creek over here. But man, it looks so much cooler in the snow. It really looks nice out here. Alright, well I made it across, but I almost didn't. So thank you, Trae, for laughing at me. Alright, so we're over here in kind of like the swamp area.
Smells like it looks beautiful.
It does look beautiful. It really is nice. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit of exploring. Because who knows how long we'll be able to enjoy the snow today. It says it's supposed to go till 7, but yeah, we don't know. Probably not. So yeah, we're just gonna explore a little. Hope you guys enjoy. No, not really. It feels like it's still coming down. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the mog over here.
We're in the mog. Holy crap. Yeah. This is like all marsh.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, and it's crazy because it was 39 degrees, 40 degrees pretty much all day today. So it's kind of wild that it's even snowing right now.
Supposed to be in the 20s, so.
But look at how those trees uprooted, Trae. Right here. Look at all these uprooted trees.
And it's growing like different trees. Look,
yeah, I think that's awesome. And then you can see just how their base pulled up and everything is still just continuing to grow. Alright. I hear like water trickling over here, but I don't see flowing water.
Oh my god.
You got it, son. We had all that practice yesterday. Oh shoot. Damn, I wasn't even on the log yet. Oh gosh. Got like, oh god.
We had all the practice yesterday.
Ah yeah, laugh it up. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Alright. Just move out the way so I can run and jump. God darn it. Shut up. Okay, we made it. We made it. Oh Lord. Turn this back around. Yeah, see what I'm saying? That's so cool right there, Trae. Whoa, why did it go dark like that? There we go.
Man, that's so cool.
I love stuff like this. Get it, son.
See, this is how a real pro does it, guys.
You are a real pro. Smoked it. He's like a real pro. Oh, fudge. Yeah. A real pro does it. That's a real
I thought
pro
I
does
actually
it.
knocked you
Yeah,
in
you
there.
tried to knock me in there, you little sucker.
I think we have to cross over here a little bit.
Oh, these look like prints, right?
Yeah. But then they stopped, so I don't know.
Couldn't have been. Not unless they went this way, jumped this.
No, I think it's just a blockage of the...
True. True, true, true.
Okay, not bad.
Dang, this was a monster walnut, Trey. It's such a big tree. Look at it.
It goes up, look at it.
I know.
It's growing more.
Holy crap.
Alright, I think it's off there. Oh. Got that video.
Jeez, this is...
How do I even start?
Man, you just focus on that end point. Don't even look over here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yes! That's my boy. I heard that thing cracking, though.
No, it's the snow. It's snow.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm about to have to lose this camera and just focus.
Throw it to me. It's you are falling.
Made that shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get it. Nice.
You gotta do like high feet or you're gonna get sucked in.
Fuck yeah. Cleared that. Lord forgive me. Alright. Dang, so literally we could just go right up the
Oh,
dang.
look at that. Look how that looks. Like it's like fogged off.
Yeah, we could literally just follow the power lines back up to our spot too.
This is looking like a dam right here.
Yep, there ain't no fish. No fish can get past this. You see what I'm saying? So there is a chance that you could. There's a beaver maybe that did this.
I know. This is not like. That's a beaver. Look at that. We gotta we gotta jump this.
Go across.
I think I gotta jump.
That's too big of a jump.
What do you say? I'm not gonna help you, but I think I can make this jump. Over here.
No, I don't think it was a beaver. I think it's just a bunch of fallen stuff.
You know what? Since you're doing it, I'll do it. Cause my balance is a little bit better than the jump, I would say. I feel like you just cooked it there. You just broke the whole thing. You have to call me Jumping Jack. Oh my god. Jumping Jack. Oh my god, my boot went all the way down.
Alright, you gotta get like high up here and just push off. Yeah, my boot did sink. But I got like 100 pounds on you. I should have worn my bad boots. Not my good boots. Alright, well, we're losing vision out here, guys. We're going to be making our way back up to the house, which is kind of way, way, way off in the distance. So we're going to kind of cut left, and we'll pick up where we left off another day.
Nah, but you pull out the recorder and I'm doing it though, right?
What? This is a really skinny log.
Man.
I really want you to make it because I don't have...
That too. Okay, I'm falling.
Come on, you got it. Go for it. Go for it. You made it, son.
Ah, I can't see.
All right, we're going to get out of here now. We're going to speed walk out.
Oh my god. It's much.
Jeez, this is a official freaking creek right here, dude. Hold on. Get up. Whoa, Trey. I'm across. Come on.
Oh my god.
Follow my prints, dude. This
Oh my god. I go.
this snow's getting deeper. Oh shit. Oh Lord. Oh no, this is a big creek.
Where are we gonna go?
Man.
Dad, we gotta. Wait, no, we can go right there, Dad.
Where? Oh yeah.
Another dam.
Get it. All right, I'm behind you. Oh man.
Man.
Go on the island.
Okay. Oh, Oh,
You're gonna walk that little stick. You just gotta go for it.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck. Well, you didn't leave me much. Dang! Oh, no.
Yeah, that's an essential part.
I need a little bit more. I had to hold my weight. Jeez.
You gotta go.
Ah! Oh, God.
Go, go, go.
Oh, God.
You gotta run, you gotta run.
Oh, jeez. All right, let's get it out up the hill. Here we go up. Get away from the water.
Oh my God.
All right.
Oh, this is fun.
All right, we made it, though. Yeah, I'm glad it's fun. Yeah, this stuff's really coming down now.
You still want to explore? Hayden and Eli. Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Snow's really coming down now. We made it, son.
Made it.
We made it.